With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Out of the following, which one is not a possible energy of a photon to be emitted by a hydrogen atom according to Bohr's atomic model? So they are saying they've given you a list of energies in which one among it is not a possible energy of a photon. They are asking which is not a possible energy for a photon. Now let us know when an energy is emitted from a hydrogen atom. The energy of nth orbit of an hydrogen atom is given by E is equal to minus 13.6 by n square in terms of electron volt. So n is a quantum number which you have, n is called a principal quantum number, you can tell. So you go on giving the values of n where n is any integer. So every value of integer, if you go on giving it, it gives you the energy of that particular orbit. So let us say that we are going to give n is equal to 1 where you get it for E1, and it will be minus 13.6 by 1 which is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. Now same way we go to n2 and which you give n is equal to 2, and so it becomes minus 13.6 divided by 2 square becomes 4, and so this becomes minus 3.4 electron volt. Similarly, when you find out E3, it will be minus 13.6 divided by 9 which gives you minus 1.5 electron volt. And let us find out one more. So E4 will be equal to minus 13.6 divided by 4 square is 16, which is equal to minus 0.85 electron volt. So now when you go away from the orbit, that is when you go for the higher order orbits, you will get the energy with a lesser value. Now when it is making a transition, it makes a transition from third orbit to second orbit, or from fourth orbit to third orbit. When such a transition is taking place, see, like for example, you consider E3 minus E2. When you do E3 minus E2, no, this minus 1.5 minus of minus 3.4, which gives you 1.9 electron volt. Similarly, when you do E4 minus E3, that also is minus 0.85 minus of minus 1.5, and this gives you 0.65 electron volt. Now like this transition, when it goes on, no, when you observe the values of electron volt, see here 0.65 electron volt is there here, right? When it is making a transition from E4 to E3, you will get it as 0.65 electron volt. When you go to 1.9 electron volt, like it is making a transition from E3 to E2, so that you are getting it as 1.9 electron volt. Come to 11.1 electron volt. See, nowhere you are finding this 11.1 electron volt. So any transition, any kind of electron transition, if it is making, it is not found in the hydrogen atom transition. So 11.1 is not existing in the hydrogen atom transition. When you go to 13.6, the first value itself is 13.6 electron volt. So you can say that this 11.1 electron volt is not a possible energy for a photon emitted by an hydrogen atom. So you can say option 3 is the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.